like you went and joined the military, girl. Leave your buzz cut. Stay. One paw out there and one paw over here. There you go. Stay. I'll get her.
Maurice,
Uh-huh.
did you take, hi.
Hey, Dr.
Hi there.
How are you?
How's that girl doing?
She's doing alright.
Yeah, we're just taking this nasty thing off.
It's kind of stinky.
Yeah.
It's not from over here. Maybe you better see it.
We'll leave the pin in there.
What are you doing? Just
Oh, it's
doing
already.
the splint?
It's gonna come out.
Just doing the splint?
Huh?
You're just doing the splint and leaving the pin.
Well, I was gonna leave the pin, but it's ready to come out.
Ah, are you ever scared to take it out?
Well, I can't stay in there that way. I can't reseat it anymore.
So it's either healed or it isn't?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be.
Well, don't let her out of that cage. Keep her in it, completely and totally. Are you going to try to take an x-ray?
No,
All right.
not yet good at this stage.
No, but I sure would like to know what it looks like.
Good girl. You're fine.
Very girl. Oh, we
Good
do it.
girl.
Yeah. Oh,
Good
careful,
girl. Good
careful.
girl.
Oh my
Good
God.
girl. Get up. I got your legs. You're fine. Let's get some blood.
She was pretty solid.
But that means don't even get her out of that cage.
That's just what the pin was.
Clean it off there.
Let's turn her back around the other way here now.
Flip her over. Or what?
You want her to keep laying down?
On her chest? Tell me, come on.
That's good, yeah.
Don't hurt her leg. Ah! Support her, excuse me. Support her underneath there.
You're okay.